In front of me is ZTE Blade A71, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings. Then you need to choose Display section over here and click on this switcher next to Automatic Brightness feature. As you can see now, the switcher is gray. That means that auto brightness is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same switcher again. If you want to, you can always go into Tab menu instead and click on this little icon next to brightness slider to switch off or on adaptive brightness. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!